start today's dress with these linen braids, and over that a linen tunic. On top of the braids we have wool stockings pulled all the way up for maximum layering, and over that wool trousers because I'm cold. Linen chausses, and then a wool tunic. Viking leg wraps or winningas for protection and warmth and all of that fun stuff. Then the classic brown wool tunic and belted accessories. Then a scarf for warmth and protection from the cloaks. Not at all historically accurate fingerless gloves. Medieval shoes that are waterproof with beeswax. And a layering of 2 cloaks to protect me from the cold and the wind. I'm experimenting with this, and I'm really excited to show you guys how it works. Okay, here we go. So far, so good. It's, getting real deep. And these shoes have 0 traction, but because it's so deep, I'm kind of stuck, like, look at that. It's getting deep. So, I'm getting up, like now I'm standing on a bunch of ice. It's pretty thick, but over there, just over there, it was deep. But up on this hill, look at that, it's real deep. My ears are getting so cold. So, getting into the woods, just up there is where me and Clark camped in a video. Link above. But it's really beautiful up here. It's just also pretty cold. It's honestly just my fingers. Like everything else are completely doing their job. It's funny, the modern things, these gloves, are doing the worst job at keeping me warm. So I'm actually really happy with these shoes. The snow seal and the leather and the winningas, the leg wraps, are really doing their job keeping my feet dry and warm. I'm quite warm. My fingers get cold quickly. So again, in this camping trip, I'll have the mittens on over these, and that should work just fine. And I won't be, again, I don't plan on operating the camera very much, if at all. But ooh, it's really pretty. So, the double cloak idea was really, really smart. The inner cloak is shorter and doesn't fit me quite as well, but it is quite warm in this cloak. Being canvas is protecting me from the wind very well. So it was honestly a good idea. I'm quite proud of it. So I recently sewed on a toggle for it because I was sick and tired of punching holes for the brooches every time I used it. And reusing holes was really hard because then they just rip. So I gotta say, this toggle is working very well. Oh, I just slipped. Whoa. Just a little hill back there. Fell. Oh, slipping again. It's honestly quite beautiful here. It's quite dark too. Hey guys, let me know if you want me to camp here. Be an interesting spot. There's big pond. Again, quite pretty. This used to be a trail, and it's gonna be the most difficult part. All right, I did it. We did it. Okay. Just goes to show what a beautiful property I get to film on. It's so pretty. I'm covered in snow, and they're covered in snow too, so I'm a bit cold now. Been out here for about an hour, but an old filming location of mine. You guys can recognize it from an old video, but pretty spot. Don't want snow to melt on me and then get wet. I'm wet already, but not very much actually. I'm very impressed again. Snow has not soaked through my shoes or any of my clothes, despite how covered in snow I am. So I'm very, very impressed with my kit. Guys, gonna keep walking. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's getting a little dark. This camera is really good, so it might not look very dark, but it's pretty dark out. Oh, something happened here. Actually, looks like a deer got shot here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe something slept there. I don't know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go down the slope a bit and then come down that little trail, like flat bit. If you guys can see that. Hope I don't die. Alright guys, been out here for a little, well, just fell. Whoa. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see all that, but I'm covered in snow. It's probably all over my cloak too, but oh boy. Okay, so I learned a lot today, guys. A lot about kit, a lot about what I should do different next time. I'll wear more on top of this next time, obviously. And I really liked the idea of the scarf, like a lot. And I mean, it worked great. My neck is super warm. It stopped it from riding up and choking me. I'm wearing 2 cloaks, so that was really helpful. I think I'm gonna change the color of the scarf though, just get a different colored scarf, just cause it sticks out a lot. This doesn't work as a thing. It just, I don't like the color very much now. But yeah, I learned a lot. I also want to show off the new pouch, the little kidney pouch I have now, to match the belt with the shape. I'm super excited for hopefully an upcoming camping trip. Yeah. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that YouTube stuff. Man, is it cold. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that YouTube stuff. And until next time, farewell.